Good day everyone. So the question we got is all about describing the power of positive thinking in achieving success. Positive thinking means focusing on possibilities and believing you can succeed. It focuses on lowering your stress and keeps you motivated.
Example, before a school presentation, I replace my fear with thoughts like I can do this and imagine myself speaking well. This worked because it shifted my focus from fear to confidence, helping me present well and earn high marks. When we think positively, we focus on what's possible instead of what might go wrong.
In conclusion, positive thinking helps shape a success-oriented mindset. By choosing to focus on possibilities instead of obstacles, you build the confidence, calmness, and drive needed to reach your goals and overcome.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new.
I am Joyce.
Then Mark.
And I'm Patrick.